video. So today we'll be making a photo with my brother.
And we've already washed our hands. So guys, we're gonna, our mom is in the background helping us. So now we are going to add the palm oil, but first we need to turn on. So guys, we're gonna show you all the ingredients we have. This is a glucose beans.
And this is some cube with some
seasoned salt. And that's the palm oil. That's the dry fish. That's the onions. That is our shrimp. And that's our protein, meat, palm oil, everything.
a lot of stuff.
Yes. and a Oreo. So now we're gonna add that, but first we need to put on the heat. I'm gonna add the palm oil. Do it slow and steady.
You see, guys?
Guys, look at that. So now we're gonna add the onion. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, look at that.
Good. Look, this is gonna be a long way to make a Oreo, but now, so guys, we're gonna be mixing it.
Wow.
So now we'll be adding our pepper. Let's add that quickly. Oh, and now we can mix it. Slowly. But guys, don't do this without pirates, because my mom is here helping me to do this.
Yeah.
Just did this slowly, and now we can add the glucose beans. Let's add that.
You see, guys? Just adding that.
Now we can mix it, but just slowly. Very slowly, guys. Don't do it too fast.
Not so spill, maybe.
And then we can add the cubes.
You see, guys? Just crunching it up.
That's our first cube. The second cube. Guys, just filling the floor, but now we can just add it.
You see, guys?
And now our salt. Just add that. Now the mixing. So guys, we'll be adding the dry crayfish. Like a spoonful is fine. Let's add it.
You see, guys? Just put that in.
And now we can mix it up. And also make sure when you're done, when you done the spoon, just put it up so it doesn't get too hot. And now you have to cover it. So guys, we're actually supposed to put all of this. Let's add the shrimp. And then now dry fish. I'm excited about this one. And then the grand finale. That's why I kept this for last. My favorite's the meat.
Yeah, I love meat. I never know what meat you like.
Little splash there. Fine with it.
We got all that meat.
So guys, it's too hard to mix all the meat inside. So my mom's gonna help me transfer this into that bigger pot. That's why it's easier for me to
Mix it.
yes. So let's do.
You see all that space?
So now I can mix it. Well, guys, it's now so easier.
You see, guys? It's way easier.
Look at the shrimp. That's one of the shrimps. I'm so happy I'm making this now. So guys, we'll be covering up to like 5 to 10 minutes, and while we're doing that, we're going to get the vegetable ready, and me and my mom will be doing that. So this is the leaf. So my mom is helping me to slice the vegetable right now, and this is some of them I did.
And there's some of them I did.
So I'll just be putting them there, and I'll just be taking off the stems and then putting them here. And by the way, these has already been washed, so this is good. So my mom is putting salt. And should be also adding boiled water.
Guys,
But the reason why I can't do it because of safety.
Guys, you know my Nigerian girl?
Yes, I'm a Nigerian boy. And this is part of the Nigerian delicacy. And I'm right. So now my mom's going to mix it quickly. Mixing.
That's why it can go together. You know, guys? You go that stinker now, the bucket.
Look at it, how it's turning out, guys. Look at it.
Oh, and look at that.
So, guys, we're gonna add our effurio. So, and this has already been washed and simmered. So let's add it. I've added it now.
Yeah, you added it.
And now I can mix it.
Just mix it. You see that? Look at all that mixing all together. That's it. Eba. I like Bando Eba. Look at that guy. I can't wait to eat it. Look
What is your favorite swallow?
Mine is Pando.
Mine is panda too. So now I'll have maybe a little taste of it. Just a little. Let me see. It's nice. I can't wait to eat this with my panda. So now just keep mixing it.
Guys, the food is not ready. You see all of the thing, you see all the delicious stuff, you see it? Even the panda, you see? Just mixing it. It looks so yummy. I can't wait to eat it.
Cool.
Guys, we now have our food.
And we eat with our hands because we are Nigerian.
Nigerian family, Nigerian boy, Nigerian girl.
So now, let's eat it before we end this video. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, that feels good. You see, guys?
It does. Cheers. 3, 2.
Cheers. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, I think it's a good time to end the video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, smash that like button. See you guys next time. Bye.
And make sure you subscribe. Bye.
And share and comment. Bye. So guys, we have washed our hands and we're gonna eat our hands since we're a Nigerian family. So let's eat it. And you're gonna see the full of when we eat it. So 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Cheers.
That looks so yummy.
Guys, we have a drink. Cheers, guys.
Yeah.
Cheers. So good. Go to some fishing. Let's continue eating, guys. Guys, we have a jug right here. Let's put it right there.
Now we're gonna continue eating, guys. So let's continue. Cheers.
No.
I hope you like this food. Hope you like Waoo, because I definitely do.
Guys, I love every Nigerian kids love their FABU. Everyone does.
Yeah. Everyone does.
Guys, look like I'm bleeding.
It looks like you just ate the blood. This is one of my best food. Oh my god. No, that for real. Because I do. And make sure, don't forget to subscribe and like. Make sure you like this video, comment. And follow us on Instagram.
And make sure you follow us.
Yeah, please. This is the best food ever. This tastes so yummy.
For real, it's so good.
I think I'm eating my best food.
It might be my favorite food right
Yeah.
now.
Yeah, it might be my favorite food. I might change my actually favorite food. This is now my favorite food now. That tastes so yummy. Hope you love flavor, because I do. My brother like a flavor too. Yeah, he does. Oh my god. Guys, I did not know that you were here. Too busy eating, guys.
This is my dried fish. So I'm gonna finish my whole pounder.
I'm about to finish the whole thing. Only have few left. This is the only one I have left.
This is the only one I have left, a full bite.
I have like 2 more bites now, guys. Guys, now I have like 1 bite. The last bite.
Guys, I'll be back in a sec.
Because she's gone. I'm done. I still have these left. Still have okra left.
I'm back.
Guys, let me drink some of my water. Cheers.
I think it's a good time to end the video. Hope you like the video. Smash the like button. See you guys next time.
Bye.
And share and comment. Bye.
Get ready for the next video.